Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about the GauTone PG103 Alarm System for home burglar security. This system promises to provide 433 MHz Wi-Fi GSM alarm wireless Tuya smart house app control to keep your home secure. I'll be sharing with you the features of the system, customer review, and rating on Aliexpress. The GauTone PG103 Alarm System comes with advanced features that ensure the security of your home. It has a 433 MHz wireless frequency that provides a reliable connection. The system also supports Wi-Fi and GSM capabilities that enable you to receive alerts and notifications on your smartphone, even when you're not at home. One of the key features of the system is the Tuya Smart House App Control. This app allows you to customize security modes, arm and disarm the system remotely, and receive real-time alerts when the alarm is triggered. It's a great way to keep an eye on your home security from anywhere in the world. Now let's talk about the Aliexpress rating. The GauTone PG103 Alarm System has received an excellent rating on Aliexpress. With over 5,311 orders and a 4.7-star rating, it's clear that this alarm system is a popular choice among homeowners. I also looked at some of the customer reviews on Aliexpress to see what people have to say about the system. One customer said that they were impressed with the easy installation process and the reliability of the system. Another customer said that the Tuya Smart House app made it easy to control the system from their smartphone. They also praised the customer service provided by the manufacturer. Overall, the GauTone PG103 Alarm System is an excellent choice for homeowners looking to secure their homes. With its advanced features and reliable performance, it's no surprise that it has received such high ratings on Aliexpress. If you're interested in purchasing this system, I've included a link in the description below. If link doesn't work, you can search on Aliexpress using the search code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.